Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing wide receiver great athlete Ja'Marr Chase of the Cincinnati Bengals. We're going to start with our black marker right here. Get your black markers, thin point. We'll find the middle of our paper with our finger, middle of our paper, and we're going to do the head up here on the upper middle, okay? So, we'll start over here, go down, okay, just did a down to the chin and up, do an ear, we're going to connect the forehead, we're going to connect this line to this line right here, okay, and then now we're going to do a big head right here. Round and down to the other ear. Alrighty. Let's do big circle for an eye. Big circle over here for an eye. Circle in the middle. Circle in the middle. We're going to leave those white and we'll color these in black. These are our cartoon eyes, kind of a Funko Pop style cartoon, something easy for kids to draw, easier I guess, it's not exactly easy. Color these in black. Ja'Marr Chase is an awesome receiver. We love watching Ja'Marr Chase at our house. Came from LSU, Louisiana State University. The Tigers won a national championship in 2019 with that team, so this guy knows how to win. All right, we'll do a neck down to the V. Okay, we're going to do shoulder pads starting kind of at the chin. There we go. Angle the sleeves down. And let's do a waist. Ja'Marr Chase is a smaller statured receiver, so he's got a skinny waist. Let's do a big football right here. We'll have him kind of holding the football out toward us. So this football is going to be a little bit bigger. Alrighty, and we'll do 4 fingers in circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a thumb on the bottom. Okay, so he's holding that football right out toward us. And we'll connect his arm down to his fingers. And that other arm area down there. We'll do a line, because he always wears this like white stretchy sleeve thing on that right hand. So over here, let's do another arm. We'll go down, elbow, down, out, out. We'll do his hand kind of, maybe he's doing a stiff arm to somebody coming to tackle him. But we'll have a couple of fingers. Draw the glove. Okay, let's do some pants. Some 1 leg, 2 legs. So these are smaller legs. We're doing cartoon style, as you can tell, but Ja'Marr Chase is also a slender wide receiver, so they have smaller bodies, smaller legs. A couple of square rectangles down there for the socks. Now we're going to do big shoes, big cleats, because they're always fun for our cartoons. So the tongue of the shoe right there on both sides. 1, 2, 3 for the laces. 1, 2, 3 for those shoelaces. Now let's bring this big shoe out, down, shoe out and down. We're going to bring this shoe over and connect to that sock, okay? Now let's connect that to the other shoe. There we go. And wide receivers, they're so fast, they run a lot, so they need cleats. So Let's draw some cleats for Jamar Chase of the Cincinnati Bengals. Jamar Chase was the 5th overall pick in the draft by the Cincinnati Bengals, and I think they made a good choice because this guy is a superstar for sure. He's one of the most exciting guys to watch. He actually won the most receiving yards in a game by a rookie with 266 yards receiving by a rookie. So that put him on the map to be one of the best. Okay, so we have the outline of Jamar Chase here. Over here we're gonna do some stripes on the side of his pants. Let's draw some tiger stripes in. Just color these in black. 3 on each side. We'll fill those in these white spots in orange. We'll color this in black. Jamar Chase is number 1, so let's do a big number 1. Over, angle down, over, all the way down straight, over, and just take your time. If you get messed up or you need to pause, just pause the video. Now we're going to connect up there, and that number 1 will be black, outlined with an orange. And over here we got some tiger stripes on the shoulders. 1 curve, and then a little one curve. Color those in black. We're gonna let Jamar Chase have a white jersey in this drawing, so okay, let's do another one. Over, curve, and up. Color it in black. And a smaller stripe. There we go. Okay, so let's figure out what we're gonna do with Jamar Chase's hair. He's got these kind of longer braids that poke out from underneath this cap that he wears. So let's do one of those. Let's do out, out, another one coming down maybe. Another one coming down. Maybe there's one that pokes out from behind the ear. This braid. Another one that pokes out from behind that ear. And let's do one more over here that comes all the way down. One over here that comes all the way down. Okay. So there you have the braids. We'll make them a little bit wider so they stand out. Kind of sets apart Jamar Chase with his helmet off. He's got these fun braids that are recognizable. Okay, so right here, let's do the B, the Bengal B. We'll do it kind of big, so angle down, over, down, over straight, angle down. Bring that big B, 1, and connect. Okay. We're going to leave these dots, we're going to leave those circles white. And we're going to color this. There's 3 stripes in here. One that comes down all the way to the bottom. And then one over here that kind of peeks around. Okay. Now we're going to color, that's pretty much the outline. We pretty much have Jamar Chase set and ready to go. Let's color Jamar Chase. We are going to hit fast forward now, but we're going to do a black cap, flesh color, some eyebrows, maybe a little mustache. We're going to leave the jersey white, outline the number 1 in orange, brown football, black pants, white socks, black cleats, and we should be done. So thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Jamar Chase of the Cincinnati Bengals. Fast forward now.